Hello, good evening. Am I audible to you? Good evening. Thank you, Satyam. Is my screen visible to you? Okay, thank you. So, okay, let me start today's session. Now is am I audible now? Am I audible? Okay, okay. So today we are starting the next tool, that is Tableau Essential for visualization. As the day will pass, today we will see Tableau. Then after we will see your SQL programmings, SQL query language. We will see Excel advanced tools that are used for analysis. We will see R programming language concepts. So yesterday I shared you the schedule that how we will move on in this training. and it's day 2 today. It's day 2 today. So in today's session, that is from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. for 2 hours, we will see the whole process of Tableau, that how business and analytics uses Tableau for visualization, and through visualization how they represent their analysis or the insights that they gain from the data. Okay, so before starting Tableau, we need to understand that what is our needs. Okay, as yesterday also I told you that the very first thing is your ask, right? Second is your prepare. Third is your process. Then after analyze, right? So these 4 points we will cover, and then after we will see how to share the things to the stakeholders. Okay, so let's start with the day 2, that is Tableau Essential for Visualization. You all joined today. I welcome you all again. I'm sharing you some links. Okay, so the steps to connect Tableau community, because by connecting any community, any groups, means you are connecting with the experts or the people who are working on the same software. So from there you will get so many supports and knowledges and the things that the people are working on, right? Their experiences, their informations. So it is very necessary to connect with the communities of the particular things also. So let me share you this link. You have to download this from here. Or secondly, don't download it, just sign up into this site. All you got the link for the Tableau? Click on that. It will move you on to the website. Let me also show you that particular website. Let me share you my another screen. Okay. Now see. It will move you on to this site. This is Tableau. tableaupublic.com/us. Okay. The very first step you have to follow along with me, right? If you are getting the things, please drop in message boxes. Second. Yes, I shared you. I already shared the link in chat box. See over here. Let me share it again. Now you got the link, Shubham. Why you are not getting? Uh, is anyone else who is not able to get the link? Received. We got. Shubham, what problem you are facing? Other participants are getting the link. Okay. Okay, Sahil. Are you Sahil, Anshika? Are you in WhatsApp group also? Definitely, Priya. I am doing that. Just a moment. Just a moment. Vivek, did you got the link? No, 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 Kushi. You don't need to download it. Vivek, can you share the link in WhatsApp group? Thank you, Vivek. I'm showing the. I will show you the steps, Kushi. Don't worry. No, you don't need to download it. You don't need. Thank you, Vivek. Vivek shared the link in our group also. Please go through that link. We will work on web page. It is Tableau Public. I will show you the different versions also. Don't worry about that. The link. Please share your. Just a moment. And just a moment. This is the link for your WhatsApp group. Please go through it. You can join the group now. Okay. Now, what you need to do, see the link that I provided you. The link that I provided you. Okay. The link that I provided you is this one. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to sign up here. It will ask these details: your name, email ID, password. Confirm the password, select your country, agree. I am not a bot. Okay. So I have a profile, so I can't follow along with you. So do it. Complete the sign up process and then log in. Okay. Done. Nice. Once you're done with the sign up process, it may be ask you for the verification also from your email ID. So complete the whole process. Okay. Once you complete the whole process, go to the sign in option, or in second case, it will sign you automatically after confirmation. After coming over there, sign in on this page, right? Like this. Nice, Vivek. Apeksha, good. So, like this type of page you will see over here. Okay. There are two options to working with Tableau. One is online and second is offline. The online version we are working on. Okay. For the sake of saving the time, we are working on online platform. And second is your offline. In both of these processes, the difference is that if you are not connected with the internet, or if you are not connected with the network, then uh, your online version will not work. So what you have to do when you need to analyze the things, or you have to do some practices, so if you want to go for the offline version, you have to download it, right? As many of you ask that we have to download it or not. So if you want to work offline, then download that version also, right? Let me show you that offline version also. So like this one. Okay, it will get downloaded and showing here Tableau public, right? 2022.1. There is very simple process for installing this software, the simplest as you used other softwares, right? Are you all done with the downloading or the sign up process? Thank you, Sumit, for sharing the Tableau public on the WhatsApp group also. Kushi, good. Diksha, good. Please drop messages if you have done, so we will move ahead. I need replies from all of you. Please be interactive. Good. Tableau and Power BI are similar kind of tools. Even both are same. Both are used for visualization. The only difference is their features, their special specifications, their features, what they provide. Both are used for your visualizations, to preparing the charts, for analyzing the things using visualizations, right? And after preparing the visualization, to share those visualizations to the stakeholders. Okay, done. Now let me share you another link. We will be back on this site because if we are not having a data, how can we prepare any visualization. So our next process is to get the database, to get the data sets. Okay, so we are not going to work with the data bases today. We will work on a single table that is known as data set. So for the practice purpose, or to understand the working of Tableau, uh, from where we will get these kind of datas or the data sets that are already prepared for the practice. Let me show you. Let me share you another link. These both links are very important. Remember that. Share that on WhatsApp group also. Someone please help me out. Please copy that link and share on WhatsApp group also. Those who are not getting the links on the chats here, please help those. Thank you so much, Shireen. Okay, Avi, Spandana, thank you. Apeksha, thank you. Okay, Vivek, thank you. Good. Thank you for the healthy interaction. Yes, Prabhakar, do you have any doubt? If you have any doubt, please let me know. You can speak now, Prabhakar. Do you have any doubt? Okay. You raised the hand, so I thought you have any doubt. So, moving ahead with the next thing, that is Kaggle. Remember these things that you what you need to analyze. You need the very first thing is your database, your data sets for for your analysis. Because you have to analyze the data only. So, what are the sources from where you are getting these data? The very first is your Kaggle for business analytics, right? So the link that I provided you will move you on to this site, right? So here, Kaggle is very important, or you can say very useful resource of data sets, right? So register it, register on Kaggle also. After getting registration on Kaggle, Tableau, and all these things, what you are doing, you are preparing your portfolios also. I just joined the class. How to find the best data set. And if you read. No, Prabhakar, we didn't discuss this thing. I just shared a link for Tableau where you have to sign in. Let me share you the link of Tableau again. So just sign up on Tableau first, and then on Kaggle. No, not in real time. In real time, SQL servers are used to collect the data. The Google Forms and all all the other things are used for the real-time data. Because if you are filling any survey, or you can say if you are purchasing something from any e-commerce website, the data that are generated automatically collected at the server points, and at that server points SQL server is used to arrange those data in a structured way. Yes, right, right, Prabhakar. Have you registered on Kaggle also? All of you? Good, good, that's good. Apeksha, nice. Okay, Satyam, good. Satyam, you done so fast. Okay, right. Good, good, good. That's good. Thanks again for the healthy interaction and healthy replies. That gives me a different motivation also and makes me more energetic. Thank you, thank you. Good. So let me sign in along with you also. You can use your Gmail accounts also to log in. This is the interface for your Kaggle, right? So what is it? It is a huge hub, or you can say a very an ocean of databases where you can do many tasks along with it, right? So what you can do here, you see the logo. Here is the main panel where you can hide and show the side panels. Here is to create things, right? When you click on the create, it will show you three things. One is your new notebook, new data set, new competition. It means whenever you want to create something, like to do some programming, to create a new data set, and to create some competitions. So while involving in competition, what you are doing, you are showing your skills to the world of experts and those people who are working on it. Okay, so what is our today's priority? Our today's priority is the data set. In left side corner, all you can see, there is an option that is data set. Click on that. See here, what is the trending data available these days. There are so many categories also available, that from the computer science, education sector, classification, computer vision, non-linear programming, data visualization, pre-trained models. So there are so many options for different categories as you do shoppings on your e-website also. Is this correct? Yeah, Sharon, that's correct. Absolutely correct. So now I thought you are using your mobile. So click on the three lines side to the Kaggle in top right, top left corner. That there you will see the option for data sets. Click on that. See, it's showing trending data sets. Trending data sets means people who are uh, frequently searching for the data sets. See, geo prepaid plans, hotel booking data sets, data science interview questions, Flipkart cell phone reviews. See, and here the popular data sets. Next option is your popular data sets, right? So these are the very popular data sets. Big basket and entries, product list, art and article. So many type of different categories also available. and as per your interest, or as per your domain, in either domain you are working, you can search the databases from those domains also. See, automobile and vehicles, who are working in automobiles, investing, finance sector also. All type of databases are available. While click on see me, you will see more options here. Social networking, internet uses. What are the uses global people using the internet globally, like that, right? So if you didn't find what you were looking for, you can click on explore all public data sets, right? And there is one more option available here, search data sets, right? Click on that, search data set, and what will you search? Search superstore data set. Okay, search superstore data set. On top right, superstore. See, the very first option is here. Here, superstore data set. It is very famous data set available here from e-commerce, or you can say supermarket data set. Okay, so just click on it. See how Kaggle explains you the complete details about this data set. So before proceeding for any data set, you have the details of it, the data, its context, that what is data all about, the metadata. Metadata means what are the informations in that data. See, the row ID, order ID, order date, ship date. Just think about the superstore. What superstore will do? They sell things. They sell the products, right? So what will be the information they are having? They are having the order date, when the product is shipped, the shipping mode, the ID assigned to the customer, that is customer ID, customer's name, what is the segment of the product that the customer purchased, from which country the customer is, city, state, postal code, region, product ID, what is the category of that product, what is the subcategory of it. So see how beautifully all the things are covered in a single data set. All type of information is shared in this data set, right? So next, the acknowledgement. This data set is very frequently used on Tableau website also, right? And Tableau itself developed these data sets for the practice purpose. When you will download Tableau server, that is not open source. Open source means to openly use all the features free. Okay. Now, after going through the details of the data set, it also shows that what is inside that data. See, the informations here present. If you scroll it more, it will show you all the files that it contains, right? So, in compact way, in column way, different column explanation. So, it is all about the metadata that Kaggle gives very clean information about all the data. Okay, so this is the main feature of Kaggle, that it provides so many information about the data before downloading and working on it. You can see very practical data sets also over Kaggle that are used in industries for comparison, for analysis also. If you can consider this data set as a practical data set, you can work on it and you will get real experience of what the people are analyzing, because it is superstore and this is also practical data, right? So see how many people viewed this data set, how many people already downloaded this data set, right? How many people reused these data sets on Kaggle? Okay, so people contributed in these data sets also, right? So like this, and it shows the related notebooks also. So let's move on the top again and see more features. Here is a code. Second option is your code. So you can perform visualizations using R also in Kaggle. That you don't need to download anything, not need to download any other software for programming purpose. You can do your programming on Kaggle itself. Your Python programming, your R programming, both the things you can do on Kaggle. See here, this is a visualization and analysis with R provided here. You can use the programmings that they done right from here. Okay, data exploration, and many people see using Python and using R, EDA, Superstore data, right? So people use these data and post their coding over here for further knowledge of peoples, and people can get informations. This is a purely metadata available here, and who prepared this data from this community. You can get the main Excel file also. Okay, so now see from where to download this data. Click on the top right corner black button, that is download 563 KB. Just click on that and you will get the database. Okay, this database is come in compressed file, that is archive file, right? We got that file. Open that file. Prepare another folder, put that into that folder. Open that folder, you will find a archive file, right? Can you repeat, sir? Okay, see here. You already signed up on Kaggle. Those who are facing problems, okay. Uh, yes, sign up. Okay. So see what is happened. From here, we got many data sets, right? In right in your left side options, you see the option data sets. Okay. Click on the option of data set. Then from the search bar, if you know the name of any data set, you can search it directly from here. Okay. Else you can refine your data. How you will refine or filter your data? It shows some categories over here. We are working on data visualization. So just click on the data visualization option. Okay. Priya, is it showing dead file? Just a moment. Let me expect it. I got the data. Maybe Priya, it is not downloaded properly. Download it again. Else I will share this file also to you. So when you search for data visualization option, you will see many things. See here, you can do visualizations with Netflix TV show. It contains all the your Netflix TV shows and movie list along with the ratings and all those things. Student performance data sets, global internet uses, all these are data sets, like Zomato restaurant data sets like that, supermarket store branches sales analysis. Okay, so there are so many data sets available to do your visualization. Good, Priya. Nice. Okay, so on which data set we are working today? That is Superstore data store. Superstore data set. Okay, so search Superstore in your search bar. Type Superstore. Okay, after searching the option for Superstore, you will see the very first option that 251 people already given them a positive response. Okay, yes, Darullah, that's the data set. Right. Now click on the Superstore data set. Here you will find all the details. What are the content in the data set? What are the entries in the data set? How many files in the data set? How many columns are there in the data set? Like this. Okay. How many people view, download, like this. So after, whenever you purchase the things from your online platforms, what you do, the very first thing, you go through the reviews of that product, right? So the same thing we always do on this platform also, that see if the data is valid or not. So if the people are working on the data set, it means yes, it is right data set and you can do with that data set. Okay, you can do your analysis with that data set, right? So download this data set from the top option. Download 563 KB your file, or you can simply click on it. The another place where you can find the data set by clicking over this option. Another place is by clicking on this option. Okay, there are so many places. And second is here the CSV file. There's one file you have. These are the columns. Okay. So from these 3 points, you can download the data set. After downloading the data set, extract that file. Okay, got the data file. Hope you all got the data set. If you are facing any problem, let me know. Please be fast. It's already 45 minutes past to our session. We have 15 more minutes to understand these interfaces. After that, we have to start the analysis. Good, Anshuman. Good. Good, Satyam. Kiran, Shubham. Good. Good, Swapnil. After downloading, what should I do? It is in a RG form. Rutujan, unzip that file. Do you know how to unzip the file? Right click on that file and just extract that. No, you don't need to log out from that there. I have to show you one more thing. Then after you can log out from there. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, yes. I just told that how to download the dataset from this site. Okay. Let me tell you one more thing about Kaggle. That why we are signing up on these sites, because it creates a profile for you people, that whenever, see, just click on the home icon of this site. Okay, once you will create your profile on Kaggle, it gives you the approach to connect with the people, as it gives you some ranking. Novice, right now I just logged in it. Okay, so whenever you get the file and you work on Kaggle, you download files, you run one notebook, you complete one competition submission, make one, you put one comment on any, you can say your data sets, give one upvote. Okay, we seen 200 something upvotes on that the super data source also. So when you complete, you're giving one up, and then after submitting data sets, submitting property into competitions, like that. So it improves your ranking on Kaggle. As you see, there are many people working on Kaggle. So you can share the things by uploading your work on Kaggle. So it will showcase your profile to the people who are already working on the same field. See here, the very first thing, that 8 hours ago, he this person posted something. COVID-19 Italy province UPD 2022, like this. Okay, so he just posted, and people will start watching this. And whenever you are getting some upvotes on your data sets, and people will recognize you as a analyst, and the companies also viewing these sites whenever you are applying to the people or the companies who are working with the data sets. So nowadays, if you are a business analyst or any analyst like data scientist or all those things, people usually ask you to give your Kaggle profile, your GitHub profile. GitHub is not covered in our workshops, but definitely I will explore that thing for you in upcoming sessions when we will work with R. Okay, so companies started asking the profiles of these websites also. Why? Because so many people are working on these websites. They are sharing their experiences. They are sharing their data sets over there. Because you can share your code also here. You you can see the courses available here, like this. Okay. So moving ahead with Tableau profile again. Click on the Tableau and come on the page of Tableau here. I thought all of you had downloaded the data set and extracted that. All of you are done? Okay, good, good. I seen 10 to 12 replies every time. What the others are doing? Alia, are you here? Anshika, Anthony, are you here? Chandrika, Danish, Devika. Hari, welcome to the business analytics session also. Are you here? So here you can see that it creates your profile again. So not an issue, Kumari. Whenever you will connect to your other sources, try to perform these steps. Okay. So Tableau give you the another platform to create your profile. If you are working with the visualizations only, if you are searching for your visualizations career, your career into visualization, then your Power BI as well as your Tableau, either of these platforms having a good portfolio. See how your portfolio get created over here. Similarly, as you use your Facebook, you share the work that you are doing with the others here also. See this type of visualizations, or you can say the work that you perform, that you analyze, the different data sets that you analyze are placed over here, and directly from here you can share these files with anyone. Okay, so let me show you one more thing here. The products, we are working on Tableau Public, that is open source. Open source means which is free to use, containing many features. Okay, and these four are not open to you open sources. It means they are having some membership charges. Tableau Desktop having a trial version of 14 days. You can avail that through to see all the features. Once you will have a good practice on Tableau Public, I suggest download Tableau Desktop and work on it. Okay. So these are different product Tableau provides. Tableau Prep is basically for the calculations. Tableau Cloud gives a platform where you can place the data sets, and you don't need to insert your data set into the software. Directly from that platform, you can access data sets, and that is shareable among your team also. Tableau Server gives the features of working with the live data. Okay. Just before some time, someone asked me that how the live data is collected. So by connecting to the servers, Tableau server is attached also. That live data sets collected directly towards the Tableau server, and you can see the live variation in Tableau. Okay. Now coming back over here, put your image here or any image. Generally, we know that this is known as the display profile photo, display picture, that is DP. Okay. Put some photograph over here. Okay. Complete these entries also. Write some words with about you. You can go and edit profile and work on it. Okay. Now see what you have to do. You see an option over in right side in blue color, that is create a viz. All you see the option for create a viz. Okay, so click on that option, create a viz. When you click on that option, it will move you on to the Tableau interface. Okay. Just after you click on that option, it will ask you to select the data set that you want to insert for your analysis. Okay. So what you have to do, just click on the upload from computer. Click on upload from computer. It will move you to the to browse your data set. Just see that here we extracted that data set. Simply double click on it, or you can single click and click on open. See, the data set is uploading on Tableau, right? Now we will see what is Tableau interface, right? Once we uploaded the data set on it, and just click update automatically. In right bottom side, you find an option to update automatically. All of you find that? Click on that, update automatically. Okay, fine. Just move this screen little bit up. Here is the data set that we entered into Tableau. We will understand each and everything of this data set. Okay. Now at this point, we will take a break of 10 minutes. From where we left the session. Okay, Vivek. Nurul, we started, Nurul. Okay, so back to the Tableau page. Let me share you my whole screen. You all are able to see the screen, right? Okay. Okay, thank you, Vivek. Thank you so much. Now see, uh, this is an interface of Tableau Public. As you can see here, it is Tableau Public, and it whole thing where we are working is known as Workbook. Okay, so don't get confused in next time that what is Workbook, and sir, what it means, that what is Workbook and how it is doing things. So Workbook is the place where you perform all the analysis in Tableau, or where you do your programmings also. That is also known as your the okay. Okay, fine. So this is your place where your data set is entered, and see, this is the name in left side panel. We will see first left side panel, that is your sample superstore. This is the name of your data set. Here is the file, or you can say the tab, or you can say the name of your data, which is sample superstore. It is .csv file, either in CSV files or either in Excel files, .exe files. you can use both in your online platform, but in offline platform only Excel files can be imported. Remember that thing. Okay. So now what we do, now we will see how these panels work. First is connection. Second is your files. What are these files? Right. Then a moment. Team. Here is team. Next is your next panel of relation. Okay. This is your panel for relationships. Right. See, this is the data set you already inserted in Tableau. Okay. And in below section, you see the attributes or the fields that are available in Tableau. Okay. That you inserted. The complete table. See, row ID, order date, as you seen on the Kaggle also. These type of attributes are in this table. These are the details. Have a header file with it. So see what type of data is presented in it. Profit, discount, quantity, sales. Right? These all are numerical data. Then product name, subcategory, category, product ID. These are non-numerical data. Moving ahead, region, postal code, state, city. What are these? These are your geographical data, right? It shows the locations, right? Order date, ship date. These are your date type data, right? So all type of data this data set contains. Okay. See how many rows are there. There are 21 fields. These are known as fields. The headings are known as fields, and 9,994 total rows are available in this data set. Okay. So now we will proceed for the visualization part of Tableau. This is the basic interface available with Tableau. Now in below tab, see in below tab where data source is available, along with it there is another file or tab named as sheet 1. Right? Click on that. Click on sheet 1 option in bottom tab. Do you all see the interfaces of your sheet 1? Okay, fine. It is visible. Now moving ahead with the interface of sheet 1. Here you can see all the headings, or you can say that fields are available here. These are the attributes. Okay. Below the numerical part of your database is available, and the non-numerical values are here. Okay. The numerical data sets are known as measures in Tableau. Okay. Remember that the move on here in below section. See data sources available. See my cursor in below left corner, bottom left corner. I will prove 28. Your mail ID is available. Your name is not visible over here. May I know your name? So in below your below left corner, you will see a data source. Along with that, you will find sheet number 1. Click on sheet number 1. Okay, Gargi. Yesterday you are using your name. It's showing your email ID today. Okay, that's fine. You are here to learn. That's more important. So, did you find the sheet 1 now? Gargi, did you find? Okay, good. So, uh, the numerical data which is available in Tableau are classified as measures, right? See, measure names. Below it, all the numerical data sets are available. Above this, these are known as dimensions. Okay, just remember these terminologies, that non-numerical data is dimensions and numerical data are measures. Okay, next we see some panels, pages, filters, marks, like this. This will be used for your aggregations, to calculations, to classify the data, to categorize the data, like that. Okay, as you have rows and columns in Excel sheet, here is also columns and rows available. Okay, here in this section of sheet 1, where a drop field here is mentioned, what is non-numerical data called, sir? Dimensions. Yashashwini, non-numerical data is called dimensions. Dimension data. Got it? Then numerical is known as measure data. Measure. Yes, measures. Okay. So let's build our first visualization, that is bar chart. Okay. So see how simple to create any chart. In right top corner, see there is an option, show me. All you got the option for show me in top right corner. You got that? In measures, latitude and longitude are there, but we don't have that in Excel. Is that when generated is highlighted? Right. They are generated from the geographical data which we provided to Tableau. Tableau automatically generates the longitude and latitudes. Right, Sumit? You got that point? Some datas are auto-generated by Tableau itself, like longitude, latitude, and also these few that measure values, measure names. These are also values. So longitude and longitude and latitude are generated from the data that we provided here, geographical data, that is state, okay, postal code, okay, country, city. From this data, it generates automatically. That helps you to create your map charts. Okay, fine. So all of you see in the tab of show me, right? I thought you all got that. Okay. Now click on show me button. When you click on show me button, it will show you different type of charts, right? So these are the charts that you can prepare in Tableau. The 24 charts that are that can be created by just single click are these 24. You can create many more, but by using more calculative parts. Okay, so we will see uh, in very fast mode three type of charts. Very first is your bar chart, second is your dual chart, and third one is your maps. Okay, so whenever you scroll your cursor on any map or any chart, see here is a chart that is known as horizontal bars. In bottom you will see the parameters are changing. If you move ahead on the next chart, it shows it has scattered bars. It needs one dimension and one measure. Now you can see dimensions are non-numerical data, measures are numerical data. So if you want to create a chart that is sketched bars, you need one dimension value and one measure value. So how simple it is now to understand that by using what type of data you can create which chart, right? Now see, now we will create a single bar chart. Okay, what we need one measure and zero or more dimensions. Let's take on one measure. I will prefer sales. Drag and drop it into rows. Drag and drop the sales into rows. All you got that? Is anyone facing any problem in drag and drop of this part? Or I show it again? Okay, just a moment. Let me remove it. See, you have a data or you can say a field named sales in this list. Click on that sales and just keep pressing your mouse, that is dragging, and drag that sales in rows. Okay, drag that sales into rows and drop it into rows like this. Got it Swapnil, Ratuja, do you got it? Okay, good. Similarly, okay, great, Anshika. Similarly, now you see there is a by default option of sum. Near the sales, you see a by default option of sum. So what it does, it sum up all the values that are present in sales, right? That's why a single bar is available here. Now, what we want to see it in different categories. That what different type of categories having different sales. So what we will do, we will get one measure, one dimension value. Let's take subcategory. As you see, repeat the process of dragging and dropping of subcategory into columns. Okay, drop that into columns and click on show me button again so that the panel can get hidden again. See, your bar chart is prepared. Nice. You all prepared your bar chart? I thought you all prepared that. Is anyone facing any issue now? Let me know. Done. Good. That's great. So now let's make it more beautiful, more attractive, more categorical. Okay. Nice, Rutuja. This time, very nice. So make it more categorical. If we want to show the numerical values also along with the chart, what we have to do, we have to use the panel which is available in middle section, that is pages, filters and marks. Okay, what we'll do now, we will drag and drop the sales this time into the label. Here see the option available which is known as label. Drop these sales into labels. See what happened. The data is now visible along each and every bar. Got that? Got that? Okay. Now, if we want to categorize this data using different colors, if we want to categorize this data into different colors, what you have to do? You have to drag and drop subcategory. You know where is subcategory? Drag and drop this subcategory into colors. You got the colors point here. This is colors. Okay. Drag this subcategory into colors. Now see the chart. Isn't it more attractive and more attractive and more impressive? Isn't it? Good, Shri. Yes, that's looking more fine now. Okay. In top menu bar, you can find one more option. See my cursor over here in top menu bar. Here is the option of standard, fit width, fit height, and entire view. Click on entire view. The whole chart is adjusted into full screen. Okay. Now let's move on to our next chart, that is dual chart. Okay. Keep this chart as it is, and in bottom left corner where you have your sheet number 1, you can find another option just attached to the sheet number 1, that is new worksheet. The same way you select more tabs in Excel, we are adding another tab of sheet into our process. So click on that option that shows new worksheet or alter this one. Swapnil, you got what you want to get? Repeat me again. What part of this chart? Please let me know which part you are not getting. I shown 3 to 4 steps to create this chart. Color label. Okay. Okay, let me remove these colors once. Whenever you want to categorize the things using different type of colors, you always use the dimensions. Okay, you always use these dimensions. If you want that different tab different tab need to be categorized as per colors. Okay, what you will do, you will use this option of color, right? And what this option gives you, this option gives you to elaborate your output chart or output visualization into colors. So now what will you do? Just drag and drop this subcategory into this color. Drag and drop this into colors. Sakshi, Swapnil, you got it? You got the point of color label? Okay, that's fine. Sakshi, do you have any more doubts? Okay, let's move ahead with that sheet number 2. In below options, you will find a plus sign, the very first option that will give you the option for new worksheet. Okay, click on that. Now let's do map. Due to shortage of time, we will prepare only 2 charts and continue the remaining thing in tomorrow's session. That is your dashboard, sharing dashboard on LinkedIn, and third one is your presentation mode. Okay, let's see how the maps can be created in Tableau, because whoever is starting the career or the learning of Tableau, the curiosity to create the chart is on the top priority. Am I right? How these maps are created? Not a big deal. Just click on sheet number 2 and see in show me tab again. Go to show me tab, click on that. You see two types of charts are available here. The first one is symbol maps, in which it shows one geographical data that must be dimension is needed to create a chart. Okay, let's see where this globe is available in our data set. City, column, postal code, and state. These are the 4 type of data which are geographical data. So from these different parameters, you can prepare your maps, right? So just double click on state. It is another way. Another way, just double click on states. Okay, see, you see a chart over here, right? Okay, so if you want some data in this chart, what you will do, say you need your profit to show into the chart. What you will do, again you will use the section label, profit, drag and drop in label, right? See, all the features are now available here. Okay, so we will continue tomorrow with maps, with more features of map, and the half session will be covered with Tableau, and the remaining will be covered with the SQL basics. Okay. Anyone having any doubts now? Please let me know. Till now. Okay, Anshika, you don't have any doubt. Can you tell me uh, how will you save this Tableau workbook? Yes, Shri, right. Vivek, you are absolutely right. That's what I need from you to know, because there is no such option to save save button in this sheet. What you have to click, you have to click on publish as. In top right corner you see there is an option that is publish as. Okay, just click on publish as. It will ask you that by what name you want to save it. So just write my first visuals. Okay, keep untick those options and then click on publish. Now it is saved. Nurula, just click publish publish button in right top corner. You see a option of publish in right top corner. Okay, now from where you will open it in next time, just cross here, right top corner, cross it, or I can say close it. Click on close button. See, these are the things that you have done. Now click on your name available here. Okay, click on your name here. Your profile is get opened. So here is your visualization that you created. When you will click on it, you will find the visualizations or the workbook that you are working with. Again, click on my first visuals. Fine. Then go on the top, click on edit. Okay, so you can work again. You skip the option to show the tabs. You can change it later. I will show in the next session that how to change that. Okay, fine. Okay, that's all about today's session.